Hi, I am Apurva Sheth and I welcome you to the latest edition of Fast Profits Daily. So friends, today I want to share our winning formula in the markets. On the 17th of July, I recorded a video and published it for you. Now in that video, I gave a glimpse of what we do out here in Equity Master. And now most of you might be aware that I and Vijay jointly run a product which is called the Fast Profits Report. Now in this product we recommend stocks based on a couple of things. Now let me explain you with this slide. So I told you in that particular video that financial markets are interrelated. So although we may be trading in equity markets, they are not in isolation. You cannot see them in isolation with the other markets. Now what are these other markets? So the largest of these market is the currency market. So as you can see on your screen out here, the biggest fear is the currency market, where the volumes are in billions and billions of dollars on a daily basis. Slightly smaller than that is bond market, and even smaller than that is the commodity market. So equity markets are the smallest of all, and you cannot see them in isolation. So equity markets are directly connected with commodity markets. So a simple example for this is a textile company. Now let's say if you want to buy a textile company, can you ignore the prices of cotton? Absolutely not. You cannot ignore the prices of cotton if you want to see how or what kind of performance the textile company will give. So let's say if the cotton prices are rising and company is not in a position to increase the selling price of its final product, then chances are that the stock price may also not perform so well. And on the other hand, if the cotton prices are falling and company commands a good position and it has the pricing power to increase its prices or keep the prices as they were before, then the profitability would improve and the stock price could also be rising in the couple of weeks to months. So that's how we use commodity or trends in the commodity markets to predict trends in particular stocks in the equity markets. So last time I spoke about example or my recommendation which had gone live recently, and that was related to aluminium. So Vijay had spotted this beautiful trend in aluminium commodity. Now what happens with aluminium is that aluminium is a vastly available natural resource. The aluminium deposits are abundant all over the earth. So the aluminium prices do not jump or do not stay at higher levels for too long, and whenever there is a jump in prices, eventually it cools off. And that's what we had been noticing for the last 5 years, that aluminium, although it had jumped after the Trump sanctioned the Russian aluminium company, the aluminium rally eventually ended and it corrected. So aluminium normally tops out in the range of 12 to 40% kind of up move. So that's what we had spotted, and the view on aluminium was that the aluminium prices are likely to head lower. So now traders could use this information in two ways. Either you could go and short sell aluminium producers, or you can look for aluminium consumers, companies which are consuming aluminium, and go and buy those companies if they fit in all the other parameters as well. So now I had ended my video last time at this particular slide. Now I'm sure you may be aware that we cannot disclose our recommendations in the public domain, but now I would like to show that what kind of the company which we had selected and how has it done. Obviously we have closed the recommendation for a good profit, so let's see what the company was. Now the biggest consumer of aluminium in the listed space, if I could say that, would be a pressure cooker companies which manufacture pressure cookers, and TTK Prestige is one of the leading companies which is producing pressure cookers. It has a 30% market share in pressure cooker and 31% market share in cookware segment. So the operating cost so the aluminium consists of about 20 to 25% of the operating cost of the company. So any fall in aluminium is a major benefit for TTK Prestige. And apart from this, normally people would identify TTK Prestige with only as an pressure cooker company, but that's not the case. Only 50% of the sales of TTK Prestige comes from pressure cooker and cookware segment. The other 50% comes from kitchen appliances segment, from gas stoves and mixer grinders. So now this particular, the other half of the TTK Prestige company is where there is high growth. Now especially during the lockdown, we have seen that people have been staying at home and cooking at home, and the demand for such kind of products was increasing for and that was a major benefit for the company. So now apart from this, the company is debt free, and it is also owned or tightly held by promoters. So the promoters own 70% stake in the company, 10% is held by FIIs and 10% is held by DIs. So 90% of the stock of the company is blocked, or if you can say that it is not going to come into the market so soon. So whatever trading happens only in the 10% of the stock, which is you can say is freely available for trading, which is in the public domain, which is in the public category. So whenever such shares are in demand, the stock prices generally tend to move up quickly, because the stock which is available in for trading is very low. So based on all these factors, I sent out a recommendation to our Fast Profit subscribers. Now the chart pattern was also very interesting. As you can see out here, the stock price had dipped to a low of about 3900 rupees, and it had then by March, and it had quickly jumped to a level of 5200 by April. So over the last 2 or 3 months, the stock was consolidating in an ascending triangle pattern. I have marked this pattern in blue. Now this pattern is where the tops are flat and the bottoms are rising. So the stock had broken out of the 5200 level, and I had recommended to buy this stock to our subscribers, and from our end, and the target price was 1300 rupees, which was exactly the range out here. So 3900, so 5200 minus 3900 would give you 1300 levels, and the same levels added to this breakout level would give us a target of 6500. So that's how I had come up with a target of 6500, and this is how the stock has performed over the after I recommended it. So the stock managed to move up and even hit our target price of 6500 rupees by in September. So the last month our target prices was achieved, and the company also declared a 20 rupee dividend, so even that is added to the profits. So this is how the stock or our recommendation has done. Now apart from this, now I would like to tell you that this month we have again come up with a new recommendation, and this month's recommendation is based on the commodity which is in the news recently. It is natural gas. Now as you can see on your screen out here, this is the chart of natural gas. It's a weekly chart of natural gas since 2016. So the black arrows that you can see are marked around the month of November and December. That's when the natural gas normally tends to top out as the winter season goes away, and the demand for natural gas, which is generally used for heating, in heating, the demand drops, and that's when the prices of commodities also drop. So natural gas, as you can see, in the last 5 years has generally tend to top out around the month of November and December. So this is likely to happen this time around as well, and so this would benefit in two ways. So the natural gas consumers the companies which use natural gas could benefit with the falling natural gas prices. And apart from this, there is one more thing which is working in favor of natural gas consumers. So the government of India has recently announced prices of natural gas, has fixed the prices of natural gas at $1.79 per MMBTU. So no matter what the cost for explorer to explore the natural gas is, but since this is a price fixed by the government, the natural gas consumers will be able to buy the gas at this fixed price. So this is the 10-year low in natural gas prices, which is fixed by the government. So this is also a benefit for the consumers. So now this is the commodity which we have identified, and based on this, the natural gas is used in several places. So plastic manufacturing companies, fertilizer companies, chemical companies, all these companies use natural gas for production, and they could be likely beneficial. Now I have eventually rounded out one company which is likely to benefit from lower gas prices. Now I'm sure that you would be aware that we cannot reveal the name of the company in public domain, but if you want to know more about this company, then you can click on the link in the transcript section below, and you would be able to find out how you can get access to our report. So that's how we use integrated approach of using all the four markets, and especially the commodity markets, which are very closely linked to equity markets, to identify exciting trading opportunities with good profit potential. Now I'm not saying that this is the only way or the only winning formula to identify stocks in the markets, but I certainly feel that this is one of the best ways to trade in the markets. So I hope that you benefit from this style of trading, and that's all from me for today. I hope you enjoyed watching this video. In case you did, then please do like it, share it with your friends and family members who also want to become better traders. That's all from me for today. Thanks a lot and have a nice day. So don't forget to sign up to our free newsletter, the Fast Profits Daily. If you sign up to this newsletter right now, then you would get access to this free guide, how to trade the markets like a pro. So don't miss this chance and sign up right now.